My outfit is like guys. Hello, Just Chewy fans. Good morning. It's your girl, yeah, Chewy. Yeah, so today is Saturday, the 20th of June, 2026, and the time is past 11 a.m. Yeah, so I want to go get ready now. So I'll go to the nearest INEC registration office close to me. And the closest INEC registration office is at Ifako Ijayi. I don't know there, but that's what on Google Map is showing me. So I'll use Google Map for direction and I'll also ask questions. Okay. So I just hope they are open today, Saturday. On Google Map, I'm seeing that they are opened. I hope they are open because it's quite a distance from where I'm staying. I stay at Meron. Yeah. So let me just go get ready. I actually tried doing the registration online. That's the transfer. I'm trying to make a transfer of my location, right? So I did the transfer. I tried doing the transfer online. I took a picture of myself, but the app is showing that the picture doesn't correspond with my picture of my 18-year-old self. Tell me, how is it actually going to correspond? So it says I have to be at the physical registration center. So I have to go there now. I just hope I'm able to finish up with the whole process so I can get my PVC, because after I do my transfer, I'm going to request for a new PVC because I'm no longer with my PVC, guys. Yes, I left it in Abuja. So I have to request for a new PVC. So I hope I'm able to wrap up the whole process before it closes. Is it July 10th? Yeah, I just hope I'm able to finish up with the whole process. I hope it won't delay me. So let me go get ready. I will continue this vlog. This is my first vlog, by the way. No, not okay. My first YouTube vlog, not necessarily my first vlog. Yeah. So I want to do a YouTube compilation. Let's see how it goes. I'm still learning, guys. All right. Catch you later. So this was the part where I started my online registration, June 6, 2026. I went through the portal to select the option that pertained to me, which is transfer. Thereafter, I filled in my details and I tried taking a picture of myself. Picture quality was okay, but it just didn't tally with the record they had in their database. So guys, I'm all set to go for my registration. Let me show you guys my outfit. So this is what my outfit is like, guys. Let's go get our voters card so we can make a decision in Nigeria come 2027. So catch you in INEC registration center. The time is 11:46, so I will still able to get ready within 11. So I'll be leaving the house now, guys. Let's do this. So you guys, I forgot to tell you, I had to go with some documents just in case. When I get there, I'll show you guys the documents I went with, just in case they will request for documents where I don't have to come back. Like I told you, my house is very far from the registration center. So let's go. So guys, my first transport from Boluwo to Meron with Keke, it costs 200 naira. Let's go, guys.
Turn right onto Abeokuta Expressway, Akowonjo Ifo Sabo Road.
Viewer discretion advised.
My registration of this side, Ifako Ijayi. Thank you, Jesus. Jesus. Guys, I just witnessed one of the most fatal accidents I think I've seen before. The trailer and the keke. It was so serious. Jesus. Guys, after the accident, I just witnessed. Hey. I've entered the second transport. So it is 100 naira.
Where are you going to?
INEC office.
INEC office, Bangboy. Go and take bike. Where are going to Bangboy?
Bangboy. Thank you so much.
That one.
Sorry, how much is it?
800. Up to 700.
Thank you.
800.
So I've inquired costs. I'm at the Jai now. I want to take a bike to Bamboye. I was told the cost 700. So let's see how it goes. That's the registration office. Yes, sir. Is that the last price? So I'm taking a bike now. Okay, sir. Guys, today has been so traumatizing for me. We almost had an accident, like the bike I am on. A car almost brushed us off the road. Today is a lot, man. I'm so traumatized. But I decided to make this journey, so let's do it. Just pray for Johnny Menzies. Because this INEC registration office, I'm told, is quite a distance, guys. This is what. So guys, I've arrived at INEC office. So let's go in, guys. Good morning, ma'am. Is it opened? They don't work on weekends. So I just succeeded in wasting 700 naira. It's Mondays to Fridays. 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. What about for weekends? People that went to work. So let's go back. Oh.
Say me don't hear Mango.
Ma?
Don't hear me.
I don't hear Yoruba. What did Mama say? Mama, I don't hear Yoruba. Don't do one. So guys, I have to go and come back. I hope I'm not too late for this registration. No, look at it. No, is that what she said? Don't. I'm staying in Meron. If I want to vote, is it here I will come to? Okay, thank you. Papa, so how much will you take me now? You can see that I've wasted my transport. Because you have to go back normally. I still have to come here again another day.
And also, many people also they go come.
I said they go come.
Yeah,
It's for our country now, Papa. Eh? It's for our country. How we go do now? I will sleep you up to 300. I wait now. Papa said I should pay 300 though. To go back.
I took
as much, but on Google app I saw that they were open today, Saturday, and the next day of the week I'll be free now. The day it will be close to the close date, which is July 10th. I just hope I'm able to round up this registration. See, we're on our way back.
If I don't stay there.
Now that I'm looking at the road, it's actually far. You know, when we were coming, I was vlogging. So I was not really seeing what was going on. It's quite a distance, so. And it was rain. The experience is cloudy. And so you guys, if not that it's cloudy, it wants to rain, I would have actually trekked to my area first. It's actually not far at all. You can see it's cloudy, it wants to rain everywhere. Meron, how much? 100. Are you going? You guys, once it says it wants to rain, start raining. It's already raining.
How long we want to do the back?
It's already raining. So I've entered another vehicle to Meron, 100 naira. You guys, I don't usually leave the house without an umbrella. See, you can see it's raining. It's raining, guys. Woo. Guys, as you can see, it's raining heavily. Like, we have to wait in the keke so that the rain can subside it. And time is 1:00 p.m. I left the INEC office at 12:26 p.m. Yes, the INEC office, as you saw, is closed. So hopefully I should come back for registration on Wednesday, because I'm going to work on Monday and Tuesday. I run a shift job, so I'm be on 9 shift on Wednesday, so I can easily come to INEC office and be done with my registration before my 9 shift on Wednesday by 5 p.m. So guys, that's it. We are waiting for the rain to subside before I can go home, right? Alright.
My man's going. I want to carry my media.
Don't worry, now carry me. Carry me for 300 as you don't want to go 200.
I want to carry my media.
Oh yeah, nah. This kind of rain self. What's that 200 is not fixable again. Have you seen what I'm seeing? Guys, I've gone through a lot today. We have to go back to get passengers. So I lighted the keke. I'm on my way home now. Well, it wasn't so much a wasted day. At least now I know where the INEC office is located. And when I'm going on Wednesday, I'll know how to plan my day, plan myself, and go earlier than I did today. So guys, I just got home. Yeah, I'm not home now, guys. So the transport I spent on day 1 of my voters card registration is 1,700. I use 1,000 naira for going and 700 naira for coming. Well, I couldn't get my voters card done today because the office wasn't open, so I'll have to go back on Wednesday. So see you guys on Wednesday. Bye.